In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently utilize Google Calendar to organize your events for the week of August 31st, 2025. Google Calendar is a powerful tool that can help you manage your time effectively, and I'm here to guide you through a few simple steps to ensure you're making the most out of its features. Let's start by heading over to Google Calendar. Once you're there, ensure you're viewing the week of August 31st, 2025. This will give you an overview of your schedule for that specific week, allowing you to pinpoint any gaps or overlaps you need to address. Viewing your calendar in the week format provides a broader perspective of your commitments and helps in planning your week in advance. Next, you'll need to select the time slot for your event. Simply click on the day and time that you prefer, then drag your mouse or cursor to adjust it to the exact time you need. This allows for precise timing, ensuring that your event matches your schedule perfectly and doesn't conflict with other appointments you have lined up. After selecting and dragging the time slot to the desired timestamp, you will now want to add a description or potentially attach a Google Drive document to your calendar event. This step is crucial as it provides additional context for your meeting or event. Whether it's an agenda, a list of attendees, or other important details, adding this information can help ensure that everyone is on the same page. Additionally, attaching documents can be immensely useful for meetings with presentations or for providing attendees with pre-reading materials. Once you've added a description or attachment, it's time to type in the specific details of your event. This includes the event's title, the location if it's an in-person meeting, as well as its category if you're using that feature to organize your calendar. Categories can be particularly helpful if you have different types of events like meetings, reminders, or personal to-dos, allowing for easy categorization and color coding. Finally, once you've filled out all the relevant fields, double check everything to make sure all details are correct, then click on Save. This will ensure your event is stored and appears on your calendar, ready for you and, if applicable, for other attendees to view. Saving it is the final confirmation that locks in all the information you've meticulously gathered into your calendar. Following these steps will make certain that each event you plan is flawlessly scheduled, allowing you to stay organized and focused on what matters the most throughout your week. By consistently using Google Calendar this way, you'll find it becomes a necessary companion in all your organizational efforts.